If you're looking to keep your pet's nails smooth and healthy, the Heusom Silent Groom Pro replacement drum grinders are worth a look. Designed specifically for the Silent Groom Pro nail grinder, this 3-pack of diamond-coated drums ensures you maintain peak grooming performance without any compatibility worries. Each drum grinder is coated with high-quality diamond material, which means they stay sharper much longer than typical sanding bands. This durability lets you handle thick, tough nails effortlessly while resisting wear and tear, saving you time and money on frequent replacements. One standout feature is how quietly these grinders operate. Engineered for low noise and minimal vibration, they help keep anxious pets calm during nail trims. That means less stress for both you and your furry friend, turning grooming into a more positive experience overall. Replacing the drum grinders couldn't be simpler. No tools are needed. Just twist off the old drum and twist on a new one. This quick, tool-free installation gets you back to grooming in seconds, with a secure fit that won't slip or wobble during use. For the best results, it's recommended to swap out the drum grinder every 2 to 3 months. Fully charge your device, use the low speed setting, and hold your pet's paw steady. Grinding each nail at about a 45-degree angle for 2 to 3 seconds keeps nails smooth without risking the quick. Cleaning the grinding head after each session is easy, ensuring hygiene and consistent performance. Plus, the product comes with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee, so you can shop with confidence knowing your pet's grooming needs are covered. If you're committed to safe, effective pet nail care, these replacement drum grinders offer exactly what you need: durability, quiet operation, and hassle-free maintenance. They're tailored for the Heusom Silent Groom Pro, making them a reliable choice for ongoing nail grooming. Try the Heusom Silent Groom Pro replacement drum grinders when you're ready to upgrade your grooming routine. They deliver smooth edges, reduce pet anxiety, and keep your tool working like new, one simple twist at a time.